Hello and welcome to today's daily Leetcode challenge in Rust. I just solved this problem in Python and I have a thorough explanation of how to approach this. However, here I just want to show you the same thing but a in the programming language Rust. Cool, so the basic idea was that we're going to have two loops. The outer loop is going to be iterating over the possible rows, starting from 0 all the way up to row index. And the inner loop is going to be iterating over the cells in the current row to figure out what they're going to be, while still having access to the previous row. So with that, we need two variables, previous row and current row, and we need two loops. The outer loop iterating over the rows, having access to the previous and the current row at the same time, and the inner loop is going to be filling out the current row. With that, let's begin the problem. Let's begin with a mutable previous row, which is just going to be a vector with the initial value 1. Then for I in 0 and the row I in dx, we're going to have the first outer loop iterating over the rows. Let's create a new current row value, which is just going to be another vector of size, initially just with zeros, of size prev row len plus 1. Cool. And now for j, this is our inner loop in 0 to cur row len. We're going to say if j is equal to 0 or j is equal to cur, let me actually let L is equal to, I'm just going to extract this a little bit. I'm going to say that L is the length of the new current row vector. I'm going to say that it's equal to L. And if this is equal to L minus 1, let's see, oops. Then I'm going to set the cur row value to 1. The reason I'm doing this is because you can see the outermost cells are always 1, and obviously in the other case it's just going to be the sum of the previous cell of the row, of the prev row, and the current cell, so j minus 1 and j. Finally, we will set prev row equals to cur row and return prev row. Let's see if this works. Should be pretty simple, and hopefully I didn't mess anything up. Row index, I did misspell that. All the semicolons are there. The prev. Awesome. Yeah, so this is very similar to what I had in my Python code. So take a look at that video as well. Should be the one was just posted. We're beating 100% of the submissions because there are no submissions, pretty much. Cool. Thanks for watching. Please watch. Please use this if you want. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.